Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to create invoice in Squarespace. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time on Squarespace, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Creating invoices on Squarespace is a straightforward process that can offer several benefits, especially if you're running a business or offering services through the platform. Once you are logged into your account, I want you to hover to your main dashboard. And from here, you need to go to the website that you are currently working on. In my case, this is going to be that. I want you to hover to the left side panel of your dashboard, and I want you to click on the invoicing. That's under products and services. That is dependent on how you set up your Squarespace account. Now, if you click that, what will happen is you would be forwarded with the two options, the invoices and the projects. All right. For example, this is going to be the tool to capture leads, get hired, and collect payments. You have all of these templates that you can use for invoicing. All right. You have also the contract, you have the proposal, project estimate, and a lot more. But for now, we're just going to use the invoice. Click the arrow. Now, you see, you have the option to add a new client, select existing client, and add yourself as a test client. Of course, we are going to choose the third one because this video is just the method on how to create invoice. But if you have like a live account or a client or a customer, you might want to select the first two options. Okay, going to click the third option. Last name is going to be something like this. Hit the continue button. Just wait for it. Now, Squarespace is setting up your test trial. Now, once you have done that, what will happen is you have the option to edit your first invoice. This is going to be a test invoice, by the way. Okay. So, for example, you have the these options. Wherein, of course, you have the settings on the right corner. You have the due date, the memo. For example, you can put in a small message here. Something like that, right? So you see that it's being changed retroactively. You can also add another line item if you wanted. For example, this is going to be for price is set to $69 per unit. Click on done. You see that? You can also have the option to apply a discount if you wanted. Now on the settings though, okay, you have the global email styles. You can edit email colors, font, logo, header, and footer. If you do that, you would be forwarded here, wherein you have you can have more control over how your invoice would look like. All right. So, for example, you're going to be sending this to an email. You might want to choose in the primary text color. For example, we're going to be choosing red to make it aesthetically appeasing. This one's going to be a little bit yellow. So we're good with that. Okay. Click on save. Click on back to invoice. And then after that, all I have to do is click the upper right corner where you can see the send option. Now, once you have applied all the creative elements on your invoice, you might want to click on the send option. But before that, you have the option to preview via the mobile and of course your desktop or your laptop. Click on send. All right. And then the next option that you can explore when creating invoices for Squarespace is an option for a third-party tool using QuickBooks. Now, we have so many QuickBooks topics that we have covered in the past. If you are a fan of our GPLAFs channel, that you might want to check out. But here, all you have to do is log into your account, and then all you have to do is once you're logged into your account, go to the QuickBooks Marketplace apps, wherein type in Squarespace. Now here, simply get the app now button on the upper right corner, the green icon. When you do that, what will happen is You would be forwarded to the authentication pages. Okay, all you have to do is click on connect, all right, and authorize these apps. You see that? Preparing online integrations. Just wait for it to load while everything is being set up by both platforms. Now here, all you have to do is provide all the information necessarily, for example, name, phone number, email address, password, and you have to confirm password, and of course, click the create account option. As you can see, there's going to be a small notification window that says it's using a third-party cookies to anonymously track user section. All you have to do is click on accept, all right? And you would be able to leverage the power of Squarespace and QuickBooks to your account. Not only that, now this is going to be one of the best platform where you can automate the workflow for more controlled integrations using Zapier, wherein you can connect Squarespace to your QuickBooks Online and automate your work. You can have all these endless possibilities by clicking on this orange button here. Now, in this case, all we have to do is select the event for the Squarespace. For example, it chooses an event. It triggers when a form is submitted. So you have all that, all right? Click on the Squarespace account. I'm gonna click on it. And then the next option is gonna be the QuickBooks. On the action event, of course, it creates a new credit memo, and that's gonna be for the invoice, or create a new bill optionally tied to a customer with line item support, and that's gonna be for invoice as well. All I have to do is sign in and authorize these apps, click on continue, and you can sit back and relax because Zapier will do all the work for you, all right? By handling invoices directly through your Squarespace website, you can ensure that your invoices match your brand's design and style. This creates a cohesive and professional image for your business, as all client interactions from browsing to payment are within the same branded environment. That's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.